Hello everyone, myself Aman Singh, and I have around 6 plus years of experience. And I'm going to talk about majorly the concepts of initially the Java and other technical stuff. So, let's start with Java. Major key pointers which is being asked in the you can say interviews and other major as in fresher level or an experience level. Nowadays it's Java 8 versions concepts like functional interface. So currently, but today let's start with what is the functional interface. So I will explain you later in this video what is functional interface.
Let's start with this content. The concept of functional interface in Java. Here, as you see in the screen, functional interface consists of only one abstract method. Okay, that is the major point. So it consists of like single abstract method. Okay, basically, like that single abstract method is used when a particular class that is like using to implement that particular functional interface have an abstract method. So whatever abstract method is there, we can use it to um, write any business logic inside that abstract method, and we can use it accordingly. Okay, basically, functional interface internally uses lambda expressions, and it also optimizes the way we write a particular code by using Java 8 functionality. So internally, like it is having two types, the default method and static methods. We can talk about it in some other video, but let's just start with this functional interface with an example. This is an example where display is a function which consists of, you can say, um, um, an abstract method. That abstract method is basically being used to write any sort of business logic. And here is the usage of that particular function. So if we check it as what is the name of the functional interface, that is greeting, and that greeting we can use to write it like this: greet, and then write it as a lambda expression. This is called as lambda expression, the bracket. Then arrow, that is syntax of lambda expression. System.out.println means printing a particular syntax. So then this greet object is used to call this say hello method. This is an example. Okay, so that is easily understood what is being explained, and some of the characteristics which can be asked in the interview is it can what is the characteristics of functional interface. So first point, I already explained that it is an abstract method, consists of multiple default methods that is not being used in the previous versions of Java. So like it is being introduced in Java 8. Static methods also, then supports lambda expression, as I already explained you, and it also reduces boilerplate code using lambda expression. So like this, you can consider it as uh, what we say the end of this video, and hopefully you like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.